If you are a parent or work for an organization that works with children, this is a must-see video on how to make sure the children are safe from predators. We're highlighting key takeaways from Quinn Price's book on this topic. So yes, parents, organizational leaders who are part of religious, school, or other organizations that work with children. Really, anyone who works with children needs to understand how to keep them safe in an organizational setting. As you can see, abuse is far too common. Child protection starts in the home by those you already know. When it happens in a church or school, we tend to underreport it. So how do we fix the problem in churches, schools, and other organizations that serve children? Here are the 8 keys to get right to keep children safe. First, your policies must be specific and comprehensive. Policies alone won't fix the problem, but starts by being clear what is in bounds, a yellow flag, and a red flag. Policies spell out your game plan. Too deep leadership catches a lot of potential problems, and when you know how to close loopholes that predators often use, you leverage this key to keep kids safe. Screening isn't cheap and won't catch all predators, but it will catch some if you know how to use screening right. Regarding training, if your idea of training is a 30-minute video, you're probably not teaching skills such as how to recognize yellow flag behavior and what to do about it. When people know what to look for and what to do, the right actions to keep children safe happen. When staff and parents know how to recognize and respond to suspicious behavior or navigate an incident, children are much safer. Training helps, and so will follow-up conversations to coach people to do the right thing. When an incident happens, incompetent organizations try to hide it. That's why your policies need to spell out when and how you work with local law enforcement to investigate incidents. The way we manage hidden spaces will go a long way to keeping predators in line. We're talking about storage closets and other places where a predator might groom or abuse a child. Digital communications is another hidden area that must be managed to keep children safe. And finally, serious organizations periodically assess what's working, identify gaps, and adjust. As a parent, demand this. As an organizational, you do this anyway on the issues that matter to you. So make child protection a priority. Where does child safety tend to get derailed in organizations? I won't go into each of these, but many leaders talk a good game, but don't make systemic change a priority because they don't know what to do or lack the motivation. The book gives you practical ways of navigating these derailers if you're committed to real change. What's your next step? The book will educate you on what matters most, how to navigate derailers, and gives you a concrete action plan for addressing gaps. Grab the book and start conversations with other leaders in your organization. Thanks for joining me today.